Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable the Developer Tools menu in Safari on your Mac. If you're looking to access advanced features like the Web Inspector, cache controls, or custom user agents, this is exactly how to do it. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Thanks a lot. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your Mac. Once Safari is open, head to the top left corner of your screen and click on Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Settings. Safari usually opens to the General tab by default, but what you want is the Advanced tab, so go ahead and click on that. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Advanced section. There you'll see an option labeled Show Features for Web Developers. Simply turn that on. As soon as you enable it, a new Develop menu will appear in the Safari menu bar at the top of your screen. This menu unlocks a full suite of developer tools, including options to inspect elements, empty caches, simulate different user agents, and enter responsive design mode. You'll also get access to deeper developer settings, covering things like automation, privacy, security, feature flags, and experimental web technologies. It's a powerful toolkit for anyone doing web development or testing in Safari. And that's it. The Develop menu is now active and ready to use. If this video helped, give it a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more quick Safari and Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.